Welcome to episode 4 of Beads. Here we're talking about the slicing and drawing system. You have freeform drawing, you have vertical slices, horizontal slices, you have a grid, 2D grid, then you have a sublayer where you take a subsection out of a rectangle. Then you have the classic multi-columnar tabbed report, which is so common in computers. Let's take the chess demo app and break it down how we're going to make it in beads. If you look at the chessboard and then the thing to the right, you see that the screen is broken down into sub areas. And now let's sketch each of those areas out. You start with the whole page, then you're going to draw the chessboard totality, then there's the inner part of the chessboard because there's a kind of a margin to the chessboard, and then on the right hand side where you have the play history, you've also got a new game button up at the top. So the top part of that right hand side is a vertical slice, and then the right hand side below is a drawing area for the history. And then the chessboard area is broken down as a grid. So that's going to be an 8x8 grid inside the margin part. Here, let's look at some code. We're in the main drawing function, and you can see that we're looking at the bounding box of the total system and say if it's wide, we're going to do landscape. If it's narrow, we're going to portrait. Otherwise, we do square. Now let's get the landscape layout. Each of these blocks is split using an add statement, which takes a slice and reserve some space for it. And you can either reserve a fixed specific size, like in points, or you can use aliquots, which is a proportional share system. Beads is extremely powerful in its layout. It is incredibly predictable compared to the horrible CSS, which rearranges things on you in baffling manner.